Hello vendor friends, myself Arnav from GozoCab. Through this video we will learn in our app how our new trips and quote request option works. So first open the app from your device and go to new trips and quote request option. Tap on that option. Here you can see the list of the bookings coming out. So whatever the locations you are already registered for yourselves, you will get all those bookings in your app. Here are the details like trip ID of this booking, the cab type, and if you like outstation Sadabag to Gurugram, here is the date and time is mentioned for the pickup. The night pickup charges excluded. These are the icons you will get to know what charges are applicable, what is not, CNG allowed or not, just any destination notes are added or not. So these are the added feature. If you open this booking, you will get the further details from this booking. So uh, here you can get the limit, extra kilometer charges, pickup location, drop location. Here is the pickup location, here is the drop location, toll tax included or not, state tax included or not. This is a one-way trip. This is the trip type you will get to know. His booking requirements driver app uses is required and OTP is required from the customers. So these are the mandate information you will get from here. And after getting all the details, that if you are interested, so you can go to the enter your bid option. You just tap here and you just put your bid amount here. Whatever the amount is, you can put out here. So this way you can put it and click on proceed. You will get the recommended amount below. So if you want to put a bid amount like 2000, so you just go ahead and put this and press proceed. So our system will register your bid amount and the system will accordingly assign this booking to you if your bid wins. So this way you can get it or see this booking, that Agra to Delhi, Indira Gandhi Airport. So this booking there is two option. So these are the two option: accept at 1974 or give your price. If you accept it directly, you can accept, you can press this button, so you don't have to put any bid out here, and your bid will be registered by the system and you will get this booking if your bid wins. So this way you can use this benefit. And there is another option. These are the options available under booking available option and the quote request. Quote request means you, this is the quotation we are asking from you all to understand the rate and to understand the details of that particular thing. So we'll ask for the quotation. So if you want, you can tap on the give quote and you can put your quote out here. There will be no vendor amount mentioned. Whatever the quotation you will prefer, you will just put it out here and put your notes. If you want to add anything which Gozo should know from you all, so you should mention out here and click on proceed. So this is very simple, very user friendly things. And if you want a booking to check that whatever the date is mentioned, or if you want to check the booking for 10th December, so you just click on the tap on the 10th December and the 10th December's booking will come here, means pick up. So these are the very interesting feature you can use and you will get benefited out it. So here is the filter option again. I am tapping on that. Here is the filter option. So tap on that. You'll get to know key here is the by default the all options are selected, value plus select options are selected. This is the by default feature. If you want to modify and change it, so you can apply on that show my bids active bids only. So if you see that and check on apply, click on apply. See, I haven't bid any booking, so that is why it is not showing. If you have bid 2 to 3 bookings, so that only 2 to 3 bookings showing will be showing out here. and rest of the booking will be invisible under this filter option. So this way you can use it. It is very user friendly, very important and very useful feature. I hope this video will help you guys to understand how the new features, the new trips option is working, and use this video, check this video. It will be very helpful for you guys. And if you, this is a very short video, if you like this video, just press like button, subscribe GozoCap, and if you have any feedback, so put your feedback in comments below in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video as of now. Thank you so much team.